Welcome to another episode of Buy It or Build It. This is the Frugal Gardener, and what you're looking at is a starter kit or starter cups. I'm not sure what they cost in the store. This was laying around the garage. Instead of using that, we're going to use this. It's an eggshell carton, obviously, and I'm using the soil from last year, and I'm even using the cheap seeds. This pack of seeds cost me $1. You know the drill. But to just throw in one seed per pod. And like I said, it's not complicated. The difference between what a lot of people do and what I'm showing you here is you're paying $1 for the seeds. That's it. You're not paying for the soil. You're not paying for the carton. You're not paying for anything else. And now you have your starter. Water it, set it out, and you're ready to go. This is the Frugal Gardener. And remember, when you grow your own food, you always know where it comes from. Have a great day.